This is Mariam Halami, and today I am presenting the Business Analytics and Intelligence course 1745 SSL, and this is my table of content. I have covered executive summary, implementation, and the importance of business analytics in business and decision making in businesses, banking in the UK, data collection and gathering, descriptive analytics, correlation, regression, linear regression, multiple regression, conclusion, and references at the end. My executive summary. This presentation focuses on the implementation of business analytics on business and decision making in the UK banking sector and analyze the performance of 10 banks in the UK from 2014 to 2023. Data gathering was done with the using of FIM platform, analyzed with the business analytics principles. The UK economic growth during the period of 2014 to 2023, and it illustrates a significant advancement in banking system. Did I have covered some of them? Implementation and importance of banking analysis in business decision making, especially in UK banking, has covered customer relationship management, comprehensive understanding of operations, correlations, and processes, analyze customers' data and feedback in order to make good decisions for customer satisfaction, and also narrow down the marketing efforts, fraud prevention, and using AI for calculating huge data more quickly, precisely, and more secure. Sustainable development and efficiency. Also, it's a crucial tool for strategic decision making and is assist for unexpected and unpredictable events to predict and have strategic plans. Banking in the UK. United Kingdom, with a rich history and huge landscape, started banking from 17th century with a person called Goldsmith. From 1696, he started banking, and later Ranald developed it with more economic analysis of challenges and efforts. Nowadays, banking has expanded to retail, corporate, and investment branches with high discipline, customer services, and financial sustainability. Data collecting. I have gathered data from 10 famous banks, UK banks, considering their 8 variables from 2014 to 2023. FAME was used from Lookout Coventry for data collecting as a source, and I have listed 10 banks that I was using for my research. Descriptive statistics mostly shows the most important variables or numbers among huge data. For example, mean shows the average number, median shows the middle number, mood shows the most frequent one, and range shows the difference between maximum and minimum. Correlation matrix. Correlation shows the relationship between two variables. It can be positive, negative, or reverse. The negative one, we also say reverse. Here, for example, we have the relationship between net tangible asset and its shareholders' funds, which is 0.9206, and is strongly positive because it is more than 50%. It means if the shareholders increase, the net tangible asset will increase. And the relationship between returns on shareholders' funds and net tangible assets is minus 0.05, which shows the reverse or negative relationship. It means If the return on shareholder increase, the net tangible asset will decrease. Visualization help us for better understanding of data. For example, in turnover, you can see that the revenue or the turnover is increasing in the recent years. Simple linear regression. Actually, when we are talking about regression, we use to predict outcomes based on one variable. Here the R-score is 0.0021 and it is not a good fit because it's so small and it's positive but it is weak. The equation is y equal to b0 plus b1x. Here the b0 is our intercepts that I put the number 1.3239400073 and the x is turnover and the b1 is minus 1.46544 e minus 10. The p-value here is 0.64777, which is more than 0.05. It means it is not significant and it is predicted by chance. The multiple regression. Here we have a multiple regression equation y equal to b0 plus b1 x1 plus p2 x2 plus bn xn. This model has a very good predictive power because p-value is smaller than 5%, which is 0.0001, and the R-score is 0.89 and it has very a high quality of fit or very good predictive power. We have put the x. I have put here in the equation the x's and the b values. The x's are more than 1. Net tangible assets, shareholder funds, profit margin, returns on shareholders funds, and returns on capital employed. This is the visual plots. The visual plots also can shows how the decision making or how we have used the variables. For example, here profit margin line, you can see the most variables were in the line. So in the shareholders funds, you can see there are just few variables that are not covered. In net tangible assets line also there are few variables that are not covered in the line. But in return on shareholders, almost all the variables are covered. So in conclusion, you can say that business analytics and implementing of business analytics is an assist tool for unexpectable and unpredictable events, mostly in businesses, to understand and make a better decision for future. And also it is a crucial tool for strategic decision making. It can improve the profitability and effectiveness. Also can make a relationship development between the businesses and the customers for customer satisfaction. Sustainable development of businesses and fraud prevention with using AI is from other benefits of business analytics. Thank you. This is the reference.